Experiencing data connectivity problems with Ultramobile, APN, or access point name acts as the gateway between your device and Ultramobile's network. Ensure your APN is set to wholesale with username and password blank in your mobile data settings. Incorrect settings can block data access. T-Mobile's network prioritizes 5G, but in weak areas, forcing LTE via airplane mode toggle or settings can stabilize your connection by using different frequency bands less prone to interference. Finally, a network reset clears corrupted data, fixing SIM card or carrier configuration errors. This erases Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, but can resolve persistent data problems. First, verify your APN settings under Mobile Data Access Point Names in your phone's settings. Manually enter wholesale if auto configuration fails, as seen in user case studies where this instantly restored data speeds. Second, toggle between 5G and LTE by enabling airplane mode briefly or adjusting preferred network types and settings. LTE uses different frequency bands less prone to interference. Third, perform a network reset via your phone's settings. This is often the most effective solution, as demonstrated in studies where it resolved 90% of data drop issues. Expert tip: always check these settings after OS updates. If issues persist, contact Ultramobile support, noting these troubleshooting steps. Remember, proactive toggling and resets are quick wins, with APN accuracy as the foundational fix for Ultramobile data woes.